Good morning, boys and girls. Today, for writing, I wanted to talk about kindness for a minute. On Friday, it is World Kindness Day, and I want you to take a second to think about what it means to be kind. It means to do something that's nice for someone, right? So what I want to write about today is I want to write about one way that you can show kindness, okay? And remember, when we write, we always start with our picture. But first I have to think. First I'm thinking of something that I could do to be kind. Ooh, I have a good one. And I'm going to add detail to my picture, right? So you know where I am, and I'm not just floating, right? I don't, however, know how to draw this picture, but I'm going to try. I'm going to show little swoopy marks because this is going to be open. And I know that a door has these things. And I'm going to be here. And I'm going to be here. And we always draw in pencil so that way we can erase when we make a mistake, right? Okay, so my person has shoes on, my person has two legs, my person has a shirt, and my person has one hand that's over here, but the other hand's kind of folded around this handle. And my person, this is me, because I'm showing kindness, right? Probably shouldn't show my hair down, because my hair is, I do like my hair down. It just isn't down very often. So here's me, and what do I look like I'm doing? To the best of my ability. Remember, our pictures do not have to be perfect. They just have to be the best that we can do. So what I want you to start your paper as is I can show kindness. This is going to be a long sentence, I'm sorry. Kindness by. So I want you to pause the video and I want you to write on your paper, I can show kindness by. I'm holding the door for people. So I'm going to write holding the door. Now remember, I showed you this part, so this is going to be on your paper. But whatever is in your picture, you're just doing the best in writing down the sounds that you hear. And I can always use this too, okay? So I'm going to sound out holding. Oh, I know that horse and hold start with the same sound. So I'm going to write an H by O D ing g. Holding the. That kind of sounds like it is vibrating my tongue. So I'm going to say the door. D, d, d. O, o, Okay. I can show kindness by holding the door. After you write your sentence, I want you to read it to a sibling or to an adult, okay? And remember, we always end our sentence with, oops, I just kind of erased it, with a punctuation. And when we say something, we end it with a period. We end it with a period. And we always start it with a capital letter, okay? But on your paper, I want you to pause the video after you get your picture written, or after you draw your picture. I would like you to pause the video and write your sentence starter on your paper, okay? I can show kindness by. What can you do that's showing someone kindness? You could hold the door. You could pick something up. You could help someone who's hurt. You could, there's so many ways that we can be kind and show kindness. So I'm really excited to read all of the different ways that you can show kindness. Okay?